Hello students, today we will continue with the chapter 10 of class 4 EVS, and the name of the chapter is beaks and claws. In the last video we have discussed about various beaks of the birds that they use for various purposes depending on their food habits. Now today we are going to discuss about their toes and claws. So let us begin with this. All birds have toes and claws and they use them to hold on to things. As you can see in this picture, they have got toes and claws. Okay. They use them to hold things, swim and fly. Birds also use their toes and claws to catch food and protect themselves from enemies. Okay. How they use it to catch food? Whenever they get something that is of their interest or whatever they eat, they catch it with the help of their toes and claws because they do not have hands like human beings. And they use their claws to fight with their enemies also because they have got very sharp nails on it. Okay. They also they have 2 or 4 toes on each foot, as you can see in this picture. This is a feet of a chicken, and here you can see 4 toes here. Okay. Now sparrows, crows and blue jays perch on branches. They have 3 toes in front and 1 at the back, as you have seen in this picture. They sit on the branch and they hold it with the help of these toes. Okay. They use the front toes like fingers and the back toe like a thumb, as we use our fingers and thumb. Their toes go around the branch to grip it firmly. Okay. Cocks, chickens and hens find their food on the ground. They have sharp and hard claws to dig and scratch the ground to find insects and seeds. So cock and chickens, as you know that they cannot fly very much higher, so they find their food inside the ground. So what they do, they use their claws to dig holes and to scratch the ground. Scratching means doing like this. Okay, scratch the ground to find insects and seeds inside the ground. Okay. Now, when we talk about woodpeckers and sparrows, they have 2 toes pointing forward and 2 pointing backwards. Means woodpeckers and sparrows, they have got 4 toes. 2 are at front and 2 at back. Okay. The back toes help them to grip as they climb trees. When they climb on the trees, it helps them to make a grip on the bark of the tree or the branches of the tree. Now, birds such as ducks, swans and geese have webbed feet that act like paddles in water. Now I am going to show you picture of webbed feet. See here. It looks like web of a spider. Okay. This type of feet helps a bird to swim in the water. Okay. It acts like paddles in water and they help them to swim. Flesh-eating birds like eagles and hawks, they have sharp and curved claws called talons. Here you can see picture of talons of an eagle. It is very sharp. Okay. They use their talons to catch and hold on to their prey. So the birds like eagle and hawks, which are flesh eating, or we can call them carnivores, they catch their prey. Okay. That is there, that we call in Hindi we call it shikar. Okay, so they hold their prey using these talons. Okay, emus and other flightless birds, the birds which cannot fly. Okay, like emus and ostriches. These fast running birds have 3 toes on each foot. They have got only 3 toes, that as you can see in this picture. Okay, the ostrich has strong claws to scratch the ground where it lays its eggs. Okay, so these birds, because they are flightless, they do not make nest on the trees. They lay their eggs in the ground only. So they scratch the ground, they make small pits and cover it with mud for safekeeping. So they lay their eggs inside the pits on the ground. So they use their feet to dig such pits. Okay. And they cover it with mud for safety, right? So these were the types of claws that we have discussed. So that's all for this chapter. Thank you.